Dr. Chuck Lee with 7-Day Dental. Today I want to show you all our new improved whitening kit. So when you open the kit up, you're going to see a charger, you're going to see the vibrating light gadget, and also you're going to see the mouthpiece along with 4 syringes of the whitening gel. The old version, we had to use battery. It was sometimes could be cumbersome, so we made a big improvement, and with the charger now, it's so much easier. So basically, when you use this, what you want to do is you want to put the gel onto the teeth, on the front side of the teeth, and only on teeth that you can see when you smile. So look in the mirror and then apply the gel onto the top and the bottom teeth, front part of the teeth. Then what you want to do is you can use a cotton swab to even out the gel so that you have an even layer of gel. And what you want to do is bite into the mouthpiece. What you want to remember is that you want to put the edge of the front surface of your teeth against this mouthpiece, against the edge of this, because the mouthpiece, the cool thing is they have ridges, and also if you notice it also has a light and it vibrates. So what the light does to the whitening gel is it activates the whitening gel. The vibrating, you could think of it as a scrubbing effect. So if you could think the gel is being scrubbed onto your teeth, so you're going to get a better effect of that. The other thing to remember is that this light will last 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, it turns off automatically. What you want to do again after that is you want to click it on again, and it will stay on for another 10 minutes. My recommendation in the beginning is to do at least 2 10-minute sessions. And then you can work yourself up to 4 10-minute sessions or 40 minutes in total whitening per day. Also, remember, you don't need to put so much gel onto the teeth. You want to put a thin layer, and the cool thing is if you run out of these 4 tubings, generally this tubing should last about a week, about 5 days of whitening for top and bottom teeth. So the 4 tubes should last about a month at least. If you run out, come on back. We have refills on these whitening gels. The key thing to remember is while you're doing whitening for the 1 week or 2 weeks, is you want to stay away from any drinks such as coffee, anything that has color, or any food that has color, because when you are doing teeth whitening, you're basically removing the enamel, the pores in the enamel, the tubules open up, and that's how you clean the stain out of the enamel. And after that, you need to rehydrate the teeth with your own saliva. And that process, because it will happen naturally, but it takes a little bit of time to rehydrate the teeth. And so that's why you want to stay away from anything that has color. So my recommendation, if you are going to drink tea, coffee, or red wine, you want to use a straw, because that way you'll have less staining effect from the drinks that you drink. The other thing I want to brag about is that this whitening kit, the cool thing is you will have 0 sensitivity. What does that mean to you? Is that you can do it every day. There's no, in the past, the only thing that stopped patients from whitening their teeth is that they complain of sensitivity after the whitening process when they drink hot or cold. And this kit, we've sold over 700-800 kits, and yet we have had no complaint regarding sensitivity. So you can rest assured that even the most sensitive person has not complained about sensitivity. Usually, in a week or 2 weeks, you will see a huge change in shape. And I think you will be very, very happy if you were to do it every day for 5 days. Within 5 days, you're going to see a huge result. Thank you for watching.